Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
First, install Python 3, 10 or newer from Python. Org and add it to path. Next, create a project folder on your drive and open it in VS Code. In the editor, create a virtual environment using Python mvenv and activate it. After activation, run pip install r requirements. txd to add dependencies. Confirm installation by running Python version and pip list to see installed packages. This initial setup ensures consistent environments across machines and avoids permission problems. Activate your virtual environment before running the program to use correct packages. Use the terminal in VS Code or your system shell to navigate to the project root directory. Run Python main, py to start a simple script or Python m package, module for package entry points. Pass command line arguments like config, YAML, or port 8080 to customize runtime behavior. Watch console output for errors and success messages, and use Ctrl-C to stop the program safely when finished. When errors occur, add print or logging. Debug statements to inspect variable values quickly. Use the VS Code debugger to set breakpoints and step through code line by line. Write unit tests with pytest and run pytest to verify behavior before changing production code. Keep dependencies updated by editing requirements. txd and running pip freeze requirements. txd after installs. Use Git to commit changes, push branches to remote, and open pull requests for peer review. Regular maintenance prevents technical debt and improves long-term stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.